labantu asibazondi, abantu bangaphandle asibazondi, but sizonda le nto abayenzayo. As soon as ubulala country yethu kula thina-ke unyazo lesizokuthola esizokuthola khona. Moja Mzansi.
What's up guys and welcome back. So that's the video that I saw on social media of a Zulu guy, that guy, when he was saying we don't hate foreigners, but what we hate is what you are doing. So most of the things that are happening is like crime, especially on crime. So that needs to be fixed right there. And if that is fixed, surely maybe we should be able to live together in South Africa, because we are all Africans after all. And as Africans, we must unite against colonialism so that we can be free. So the big issue is African unity. And for that to be achieved, we must remove crime. No one should be going around harassing other people. And also on the issue of documentation, people must make sure they have the right documents to live in a certain country. This is also the message that people like Gayton Mackenzie are sending out there and saying people must get their documents. You must have the right documentation. I think that's the most important thing. So that's the message that has been sent by that Zulu guy. Tell me what you think, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Yeah, so if these things happen, I don't think people like Gayton Mackenzie are going to have a problem with foreign nationals. Yeah, we all know Gayton Mackenzie from Patriotic Alliance. He's a very big proponent on this issue of having to deal with this issue of people who are not documented. So yeah.